Welcome to the 2018 GCE A Level H2 Chemistry MCQ Solutions, brought to you by TSA The Science Academy. In this series of videos, we'll take a look at the topic behind each of the question, as well as the mindset while we are approaching each question. In the first MCQ, a beam of particles contains protons and electrons. So in this kind of electric field question, we are always going to talk about the angle of deflection with respect to charge, but it's also considered to be inversely proportional with respect to the mass of the particles that is to be deflected. So for the case here of protons, we will be looking at a positive charge of +1 and an arbitrary mass of 1. For the case of electron, on the other hand, we have the charge of it being -1 and a mass that is 1/1840, much lighter as compared to proton. So with that, subbing in the values for the angle of deflection of proton, it will be equals to +1 divided by 1, but for the angle of deflection with respect to electron, we'll be looking at a -1 divided by 1/1840. Now you can tell based on this, if I were to put a modular sign on the angle of deflection, the angle of deflection will be much greater for electrons as compared to protons because it is considered to be lighter. So we should be looking at something that has a difference in the angle of deflection. So A and B is out because the angle is the same. But for the next case here of consideration, it will be the field that it should be deflected to. So electron being negative, it should be deflected towards the positive field. And proton being positive, it should be deflected towards the negative field. And in option D, you can also see that for electron, the angle of deflection is much greater as compared to the angle of deflection for proton. This takes into account the mass of the particles that is coursing through the electric field itself. And the correct answer for this question will be D.